ladies. Mainly thrifted.
Okay.
Amazon shorts, Amazon sunglasses.
Okay.
I love that.
And you put it together. It looks so good.
Thank you.
As usual.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Reagan.
And you're at?
Toxic Via. Iconoclasta. Filthy. Urban.
Okay.
I don't know where the fuck that. Everything else is thrifted.
Okay. And you put it on.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Good.
You're the
Put it on
best.
Sunglasses.
Thrifted. No, beauty supply.
We're from Miami, okay? 305 North Miami in the building. My name is Tatiana. And right now, head to toe, guess what I'm wearing? Forever 21, okay? And it's stylish. Looking like money.
Everything is Forever 21?
Everything is Forever 21, baby.
You put it on. You put it on.
Yes, because I am a stylist, okay?
So good.
Thank you.
I would never have known, to be honest.
Exactly.
You put that together good.
Exactly.
The way you style it is not. It's
It's
like,
the way you listen.
so
It's the way you put that shit on.
Yes.
Doom, 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 doom. Put that shit on. Doom, 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 doom. Put that shit on. Instagram is The Real Tatiana. 2 L's at the end of real. Tatiana.
Yeah.
Yo, what's good? It's your girl Badass Kima straight from 305 with a little Haiti in the building. And I am wearing my gear. You see the badass in the back. See the Kima? Badass Kima. I got that A1 Styles to get you right and get your lace up.
You can't steal her swag. No, you cannot steal her swag. Okay, turn around. Look at her go.
This is your brand that
Yes,
you're wearing?
this is the Badass Kima jumpsuit.
Okay, Miss
It
Badass.
comes with Kima and it says the Badass and it says the Badass on the back.
Okay.
Did you get it manufactured or did you make it yourself?
I had it made myself. It came with the idea myself.
Yeah.
And then now it's out for you guys. Make sure y'all follow me, Badass Kima in the building. Make sure y'all follow my website. Go get your merch and your gear, www.badasskima.com. Let's get it.
like L did, bro, last time, and she was like,
Tim's, black Tim's. I think, yeah, they're Cold Wall twins. Black Cold Wall Tim's, Da Vinci pants, boxers, a white beater from the corner store, and my jacket in there, Woo Well.
Okay, cool.
That's it. Like a rack, go from the bottom to the top.
So go ahead.
Like a rack. Jonathan Majors on the motherfucking shoot, nigga. Walking on the down. Get right. Yeah, nigga. And I'm yakking right now. Everything got through. What you got on? Tell me what the fuck you got on.
it's a one-on-one, you know what I mean, baby? It's all
man.
It's a Michelin shirt, man. Michelin 2-star. So,
Like 5-star. Like a nigga that cooks it up.
It's a 1-on-1.
He cooks it up, nigga. Get right, yeah.
Lambskin leathers right here. They 1-on-1. It's a 1-on-1 right here. It's 1-on-1.
I'm talking about
It's a 1-on-1, man. With the cargo pockets, you know what I mean? Get a little zip. Get a little zip on there. It's the cargo pockets on it. You know what I'm saying? It's a 1-on-1, man.
Pockets still have fours. You niggas is broke. You heard? You're broke. It's
It's 4 of them, man. It's 1-on-1.
fuck.
Hey, let them know something. Unfold that shit. Unfold that shit. Let them
Keeping that pride release party.
Yes, get it.
roll up something, man. He twisting up right now, man.
Yes, sir. We get that.
Twisting up right now.
It's a party foul.
Not the color.
Right.
My name is Mineral. My at is Mineralogy. This from, I think it was like CVS. Yeah. This like lace thing. Yeah.
So cool.
This, I honestly don't know where we got it from. This skirt was my friend.
Wearing, of course, pants over the skirt, which I freaking love.
Shout out to mom. These shoes I got from a thrift store. Spirit Halloween has like all the best accessories. Yes.
Damon at DA3M0N.zip. Glasses got Gucci, some like archive, I don't even know. Thrifted like sleeveless fur, another thrifted whole jacket, raincoat, a whole fishnet thrifted, Guess belt, some random studded belt, Doc Martens belt underneath,
Cool.
deconstructed pants I did myself.
Oh wait, they're deconstructed. Like, did you do it?
Yeah, so these were skinnies,
cool.
but you know, we had to switch it up, so I made it like a skirt type. Docs, because docs are standard, you know?
Yeah.
My nails aren't done though, so like,
That's fine.
we're looking a little tough right now. We're looking a little tough. Oh, and the choker. Co-styled. Shout out to Mineral. Tight.
So the sleeves I made myself. At Drew Camilla, DRUCKENMILLERR.
Okay.
Skirt is, I can't remember, but I hemmed it myself a lot.
Yes, you did.
The belt is thrifted from Goodwill, but I think it's like from an army costume, to be honest. Chain, I think it's from Forever 21, like a pair of like old jeans or something. Just reuse. The top made myself.
It's so cute.
At Drew Miller.
Turn around, cunt.
Yes, gotta have that.
Support online.
Her brand, Support Online.
Cute.
My moon boots. Yes. Oh, and I made this myself too.
It's like a rosary.
Yeah.
Cute. You made it, like beaded it all yourself?
Yeah, I did.
Cute.
Thank you.
Okay.
My name is Katie Drew Miller. At Katie Drew 2. KATIDRU 2.
Her name? Drea. Necklace is Judith Hipka, and then corset is thrifted. I made the skirt myself.
Oh.
Skirt is PacSun, but I like added all the embellishments to it. And then the shoes, I don't know what they are, but they're something. I thrifted them too.
My name is Anastasia. I'm actually wearing Doll's Kill. My belt is thrifted. My bag is secondhand Hysteric Glamour.
And what's your at?
My at is Anastasia Zek. ANASTASIAZECH. Okay.
must know where the outfit is from, babe. Come on, give us the deep.
You guys need your own reality show. Like,
we're the ones. We're not 2. We're not 3. We're number 1. Baby.
okay, Miss Oprah.
Where's the top from?
Okay, so I made this one.
She made it. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
She made it.
The shoes are from where?
Oh, these are Demonia.
Demonia's pub.
Yeah.
And the socks are.
Maybe AliExpress.
That's fine. Don't try to make it happen. Fashion girl is gonna do it.
Okay. This I made.
Rework.
Okay.
Yes, you can tell.
And it looks great.
Yeah, did this cool because it gives it a little character.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
It does.
And
She's got spice.
a little fur. And I put these all along here and the little cross here.
Wow.
And you know, just doing the little whale tail thing just for a little
Love it.
bit.
Wow.
Yeah, so I cropped
This
it.
ducky
for,
thing right here.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's my logo.
Forbidden Playground. This is fire.
Forbidden Playground is fun.
Yeah, so this is do you guys know, are you guys aware of like the cryptids? Like are you guys into horror at all? Or like horror TikTok? I don't know if you guys know about like the deer that are not deer. I don't know. Anyways.
We gotta go.
Okay.